This quick video shows you a simple way to spot top talent without spending hours on searches. We are going to find the best candidates instantly. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is enabling Turbo Recruiter. Start on your jobs dashboard and find the position you want to boost. Open the three-dot menu on that card and pick the option to add a premium feature if you have already owned one. In the pop-up, check the box for Turbo Recruiter to source top candidates instantly. Hit Assign to apply it to this job. You'll see the Turbo Recruiter tag show up on the card, along with the confirmation that the feature is active. Click on the job card to open its details. In the candidate summary, jump into the Turbo Recruiter tab to see the 5 matches it pulled in. Scroll through the list to review each candidate, their profession, and how well they match the role. That's how you review the candidate's Turbo Recruiter surfaced for you. Let us go to the next step, which is to returning to the jobs dashboard. Head back by clicking Jobs in the side menu. You're back on the main dashboard, ready to work on your next role. And that wraps up reviewing your sourced candidates. You now know how to find the best candidates instantly using Turbo Recruiter. Give it a try on your next job post and see who shows up.